Hi, I'm Gita Vemparala. I'm a divorce and transition coach. As someone who has experienced divorce, I lend wisdom gained from my personal experience to women who are faced with the decision to divorce. In this video, I want to talk about financial piece of the legal aspect of divorce. There's many aspects to divorce. You've probably already heard that divorce automatically costs between $30,000 and $40,000 in attorney's fees. I want you to know it doesn't have to. Most people spend that much not because their case is complex, but because they walk into the process completely unprepared. They rely on lawyers for things they could have handled themselves. If only they knew what to expect. And that's exactly what I want to help you avoid. So today, I want to show you why divorce costs often spiral out of control and what you can do differently, even before you hire an attorney, to keep more of your money where it belongs. And that is with you. Let's start with the truth that no one tells you. It's not your lawyer's hourly rate that drains your savings. It's the endless reactive communication. Every time you send an I'm not sure what to do email or have another emotional call, that meter keeps running. The problem isn't usually legal. It's emotional and logistical. And when you're unprepared, you end up paying someone else, namely your lawyer, to sort through the confusion for you. That's why preparation is everything. The clients who save thousands walk into the process knowing their situation, their goals, and what matters most. They don't need their attorney to do the grunt work or piece things together. They just need legal guidance at the right moments. Now, there are three areas I always help my clients get clear on before they even step into a lawyer's office. I'll give you a quick preview. First, it's understanding your numbers. And second, it's clarifying your story, being very clear on your story. And third, organizing your documentation. These might sound very simple to you, but the way you approach each one is what makes the difference. The difference between spending a few thousand and spending 20 or even $40,000. This is where most people lose money, and it's where preparation pays off. When you know these things, you walk into mediation or negotiations with clarity and calm. You're not guessing, you are not reacting, you're not showing up, and you are showing up confident and informed. And that changes everything. People often ask me, do I actually need a lawyer or can I not do all this by myself? And my answer is, it depends. There are absolutely times when you need legal protection, like when safety, assets, or high conflict are involved. But there are also times when what you really need is strategy and preparation, knowing how to organize your case, what to say, and how to negotiate effectively. That's where coaching can save you thousands before you even retain an attorney. And when it comes to mediation, this is where the savings really add up. Mediation is designed to help you reach agreements without court battles, but only if you come prepared. If you're not prepared, it can become just as expensive as litigation. That's why knowing what to prepare and how to approach it makes all the difference. And finally, a quick word on parenting plans. One of the biggest hidden costs of divorce is parenting plans. Most people create vague or incomplete parenting plans because they don't realize how specific these agreements need to be. The more clarity you have now, the fewer misunderstandings and expensive revisions. to come later. But here's what I want you to take away. You can absolutely save $15,000 to $20,000 in legal fees. That is, if you know what to prepare, when to involve your lawyer, and how to approach mediation strategically. And if you'd like personalized help, if you want to walk into mediation or negotiation confident, organized, and with clarity on your next steps, I'll show you the exact process I use to help my clients save thousands in unnecessary legal costs. I'm Gita Vemparala, divorce and transition coach. And remember, divorce does not have to drain your wallet. Preparation isn't just power, it's peace of mind. If you'd like to chat more about how you can save money on your divorce, schedule a 15-minute clarity call. It's free. Schedule the call with me and hope to see you soon. With that, I send you all much love.